Hey everyone, welcome to our studio. Today I'm going to be unboxing Shabaka version 4 from Remal. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features of this IoT board. So get your box and let us begin. Alright, so here we have the Shabaka version 4, which is Remal's IoT development board. It is designed for easy connectivity using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5, which makes it perfect for any IoT project. We've got GPIO pins, sensors for output and input, and built-in networking components, all in one compact design. So whether you're starting or you're an advanced developer, this board will help you bring your ideas to life. But in order to start your project or even programming, you need to be able to upload code on Shabaka. For that, we're going to use Arduino IDE, which is a software you can download on your devices. So let's head over to our laptops. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head over to Remal Quick Start, which is a page that will help you get started with the board. So once you head over to the page, I want you to scroll down to the Installing the Arduino IDE section. In this section, you're going to find multiple instructions. Go to the first instruction and then go to the Arduino website that you can see on the screen. Once you're there, I want you to select the option that fits you best. In my case, I have a Windows 10, so I'm going to click this one and then click just download, or if you want to delete, go ahead. Just download again, and then it's going to start downloading. And once you're done, open the Arduino IDE. Once you have your Arduino IDE open, we need to install the board's program on it. To do that, first of all, go to Files, and then Preferences, and then at the bottom where you see Additional Boards Manager URL, I want you to copy this link that's in the third instruction, and then simply paste it, and then press OK. Once you have that done, we need to connect our Shabaka board to the laptop. So use the cable that is already given to you and connect it to your laptop. Once that's done, let's continue downloading the Shabaka program. I want you to head over to Tools, and then to Boards, and then Boards Manager. Then type Remal, and then you're going to see two options. One of the options, as you can see in the description here, for example, in my case, the second option is for Num and Atlas. For example, if you have this board, which is Atlas, you want to download the second one. But since we are using Shabaka, you have to download the first one. And in the description, you can see Shabaka version 4 and Shabaka Founders Edition. So let me install it here. Once the installation is done, we want to connect the board. So head over to Tools again, and then to Board, and then go to Remal Boards ESP32, and then select Shabaka version 4. Or if you have the Founders Edition, but most likely you have the version 4. And that's it. Now you're ready to program your board. But we've already provided you with some sample codes that you could run to test the board. So let's do that. So first of all, go to File, and let's close this thing. Go to File, and then go to Example. And there's a lot and a ton of examples here. We're going to go to the basics just to test our board. And then click on Link. This code will show you the blinking of the LED right in the center of the board. So before you run the code, you want to first make sure that the laptop or the software is connected to the correct port. To do that, go to Tools, and then to Board, and then under Board, you're going to see Port. Select the correct port. Usually, it only shows the port that the board is connected to. For example, mine is connected to COM3. Yours might be COM13, and so on. So once you connect it, now you want to run the code. You see at the bottom, it says Shabaka version 4 on COM3. Usually, if it's not connected, it's going to display that not connected. So ours is fine. So let's run the code. And it will take a few seconds. And once your code is done uploading, you're going to see the LED in the center blinking on and off. So now let's go over the code just to understand what is really going on. In the beginning, you're going to see a description of the code. You can go over to understand better what is going on. At the bottom, you're going to see two functions. The setup function, which simply initializes the pins of your board, and also the loop function, which from the name, it runs over the code over and over again forever. So in the setup, we initialize the built-in LED as an output, and in the loop function, we turn the LED on and off, and that is marked by high and low.
high for on and low for off. And in between, we have the delay by 1000 milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. So you could see how the LED is turning on and off every second. So let's edit this part. Let's make it 5 seconds and let's see it running. And so you will see the LED slowing down, turning on for a long time period and then turning off for a second.
In some instances, your code might not run even when you reset it. To fix that, simply enter firmware download mode on Shabaka. To do that, first of all, make sure your Shabaka is connected to your PC and is powered on. Next, hold down the boot button, which is button number 1. While holding the boot button, press the reset button once and then release the boot button. And now you are ready to upload the new code. And that's it. That was a quick intro into Shabaka version 4 board. We've covered everything from unboxing, setting up your Arduino IDE, or running your first code. So whether you're building a smart home system or experimenting with IoT sensors, Shabaka has got you covered. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials on this amazing board.